Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Satisfactory game on your PC. Guys, first you have to open up your end browser and just search for the Steam, and Steam website will appear on the top, so just open it. And here you will see the login option on the right hand top. Click on that and just log into your account, and if you don't have an account then just create an account. Guys, once you created the account, then click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top, and here you just need to download the Steam and install it into your PC. After that, guys, just open up the Steam and log into your account, then click on the top search box and just type it the Satisfactory, and guys, this game will appear on the top. And here you are seeing once it was appeared, just click on that game, and here in this page just scroll down, you'll see the option of add to cart. So you can buy this game for the 11 bucks or the 11.69 bucks. Just click on the add to cart option, then click on the option of view my cart. And guys, once you click on the view my cart option, then here just click on the option of continue to payment. And here guys, just simply pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. Once you pay the amount, now the game was added to your Steam library. Just click on the library, and on the left hand side just click on the game, which is the Satisfactory, then click on the install, and this is how you can download and install Satisfactory game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, and I will see you guys in the next video.